Let's take a closer look at in-text citations in Harvard referencing. Whenever you write an essay, report, or dissertation, you need to show where your information comes from. In-text citations give credit to original authors, helping you avoid plagiarism and maintain academic integrity. Using them shows you've done proper research and allows readers to verify your sources. Without them, your work isn't credible and may be treated as plagiarism. In-text citations are short references in your writing. They usually include the author's last name, the year of publication, and a page number if you're quoting directly. They're used alongside your reference list to connect your ideas to real sources. For paraphrasing, Kurtzner, 2025. For direct quote, Kurtzner, 2025, p. 45. Quotations should be used sparingly, only when the author's wording is truly impactful. Most of the time, it's better to paraphrase and explain the point in your own words. Why use in-text citations? They help show what's your own thinking and what's taken from others. This makes your argument stronger and your writing more trustworthy. In-text citations act as signposts, pointing readers to the full source listed in your reference list. Activity 1. Add the citations. Here's a short passage. The first sentence is from Doe, 2021. The second is from Smith, 2019. Pause the video and add in-text citations. Activity 2. Here are 4 statements. Decide which ones need a citation. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius at sea level. Research shows physical activity reduces chronic illness. In my opinion, online learning offers more flexibility. The 2008 financial crisis was triggered by the housing market collapse. Pause and decide. A. No citation needed. This is common knowledge. B. Citation needed. This is a research-based claim and should be backed by a source. C. No citation needed. This is a personal opinion clearly marked as such. D. Citation needed. While widely known, this is a specific historical fact that should be referenced in academic writing. If it's someone else's research or a specific fact, it needs a citation. If it's common knowledge or a clearly stated opinion, it doesn't. Tips for in-text citations include the author's last name and year of publication. Add page numbers for quotes and detailed paraphrasing. If you use the author's name in your sentence, put the year in brackets. E.g., Smith 2020 argues that, if not, include both in brackets before the full stop, is widely debated, Smith 2020. Make sure it's clear which point your citation supports. Always include a matching entry in your reference list. Remember to follow your school's preferred referencing style. By following these tips and practicing regularly, you'll be able to master in-text citations in the Harvard style.